Hello, I'm Officer Knights. We will learn about moving algorithms, Part 2. Part 2, The Tower of Hanoi. The Tower of Hanoi is a mathematical game or puzzle consisting of 3 rods and a number of discs of various diameters, which can slide onto any rod. The puzzle begins with the discs stacked on one rod in order of decreasing size, the smallest at the top, thus approximating a conical shape. You might have seen that Hanoi is the capital city of Vietnam, which is known for its centuries-old architecture and a rich culture with Southeast Asian, Chinese and French influences. The puzzle was introduced to the West by the French mathematician Edouard Lucas in 1883. Numerous myths regarding the ancient and mystical nature of the puzzle popped up almost immediately, including one about an Indian temple in Kashi Vishwanath containing a large room with 3 time-worn posts in it, surrounded by 64 golden discs. In some versions, other elements are introduced, such as the fact that the tower was created at the beginning of the world, or that the priests or monks may make only 1 move per day. The size of the discs lie between small and large. Besides, the small disc must be therefore placed on the larger disc. To pick up, only the top part is to be taken out. Never try to place larger disc on a small disc, and never try to lift the middle or the bottom ones. The number of discs depends on its difficulty level. When you solve, the minimal number of moves required to solve a Tower of Hanoi puzzle is 2 to the n exponent -1. Where n is the Mersenne number without primality requirements. This comes from Marin Mersenne, a French minim friar, who studied them in the early 17th century. Easy ones will have a few discs, medium ones can have either 3 or 4 discs, and hard ones can have 5 or more discs. The demo is to show you that when the player starts, the top part is picked up first, and can slide on the next rod, and so on. The bottom disc stays locked until the player clears off the discs, and thus having few moves. Upper ones are frequently used and lower ones are rarely used. Once all the discs are stacked on the next rod, the player thus wins the game. Tower of Hanoi can also be used in computer programming as well. I'll ask him a guy named Ben. Hi there, I'm meeting you for the first time.
Hi, it's me Ben Tennyson speaking.
Ben, did you learn about the concepts of programming?
Yeah, oh hey, who are you?
I'm Knights the Nightmaren.
Knights? I thought knights like horses start with a K.
Well, I guess not. Knights belong to the god of the night sky. For Tower of Hanoi, the following Python code is used as follows. Can you find out?
Well, I've never really seen Tower of Hanoi.
A game which is used to slide discs on rod.
For C programming, as you were saying, always start from the hashtag include variables such as input-output stream and standard input and output. Then void Tower of Hanoi and with variables in parenthesis. Then start with the curved braces. Using the variable if and put =sign and 1, then put a print function and return with a semicolon. To end the steps, put a closed curved braces. One more thing, with n is equal to 4, where 4 is the quantity, and the description starts with a / number of discs. Also, mark the rods as A, B and C respectively. Once you execute a program, it will say move the disc to the next rod, according to the following steps. That's how the programming works.
Okay, thank you for showing me, that was awesome. So, this video is about Tower of Hanoi. Like, comment, and subscribe now.